In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Alpha with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a very easy to follow method on how to set up a Minecraft Alpha server and play with your friends. To do this, you will have to download a specific server file related to the alpha version that you want to play, and after someone is hosting the server, all of you will be able to join. So I recommend going over to the wiki. All that you have to do is look for Java Edition Alpha Server and then the specific version that you want to use. They have been all hosted on the wiki, so you will find them available to download here. You can also download these jar files on other websites and other sources, but I trust the Minecraft wiki and I believe that this is the easiest one to find. So when you visit the website, click on download here. I recommend choosing .jar, but you can set it up using the .exe file instead. Once you have it downloaded, it will usually contain the version of the alpha server in its name. So for example, this one is A0.2.8.jar. What you have to do now is create a folder and drag that jar file into this. Now you will notice that I renamed mine to Minecraft_server. This is going to be needed because in order to execute or start this file and for the server to be set up, you will create a new text document. So right click, go over to new text document and then select everything. You have to change this to a bat file, so it should be run.bat. So instead of .txt, make sure you change the file extension as well. Double check to see that it is not set as run.bat.txt. You need to remove the txt file extension and create a run.bat file. Now I already have one, so I'm gonna delete. So once you have the run.bat file, right click it and then open with Notepad. You can also open Notepad itself and drag the file inside of here. You will have to type out this exact line, so if you need it, pause the video and copy all of this. You will notice that in here I have the name of the jar file. If you prefer, you can rename this to something else, for example A0.2.8.jar, but I'm gonna leave it as Minecraft_server. So this is why we must rename that jar file containing the server itself. So once everything is done, make sure that you save this file and then execute run.bat and the server will be created. Whoever is hosting the server must leave their PC on. For everyone else to connect, they will be using the IP of the host, but they will also need to set up port forwarding. Sadly, for a video of this nature, I cannot talk about port forwarding. You should do your own research and do it with caution. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Alpha with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.